Assalamu alaikum and very warm welcome to you all students. Here Maliha Niaz, your SST teacher and students. Today we are going to complete our unit number 17, the ancient invaders. Today students, we are going to learn about the Persians and historical personality Alexander the Great. Let's learn about the Persians. Persia became a warlike nation in the 6th century. They captured a huge empire which stretched from Greece and Egypt in west to north. They conquered the Kandhara kingdom and made their capital in the subcontinent at Texla, which later became a great center of art and learning. Persians brought different and new ideas, how to use money, and different ways of building. But they also learned from Aryans about medicine and how to make good steel. Persians also made good irrigation schemes in the Indus Valley. Students, now we are going to learn about Alexander the Great. He became king of Macedon when his father Philip was murdered. He was a brilliant soldier and great leader. Alexander was well educated and well groomed. Alexander had conquered all of the Persian Empire from Egypt to what is now Pakistan. In a great battle on the river Jhelum, he defeated Porus, the king of the Punjab. Porus was captured and taken to Alexander, who so admired the king's bravery that he released him and returned his kingdom. After that, Alexander wanted to march eastward, but his soldiers refused to obey for this decision. Alexander was forced to go back to Persia. Half of his army crossing the terrible Makran desert and the other half going by sea. Alexander died at the age of 33. His great empire broke into 3 parts, each ruled by one of his generals. Now students, this is quiz time, your homework time. Was Alexander the Great actually great? You will give the answer. In case of any problem, you may ask for me over here. Take care and good luck to you all.